Hello guys. This is a new Leetcode question called car fleet. Okay. Here we are given n cars, and we need to reach the reach the mile target. Okay. We have given the position and the speed of it. Okay. Position and speed of the car of the ith car per hour. Okay. So we need to find out which car can reach the target, which car can reach the target without like um, colliding with each other. Like suppose we have given two cars. Suppose we have given two cars, and if the speed of this car is greater than this first car is greater than the second car, then the speed of the first car will be same as second car. So we have to select the minimum speed of we have to select the minimum speed of both the cars. Okay. So we have to select the minimum speed of between both the cars. Okay. So let's visualize it. Okay. Suppose like in the first example it's given that the speed is like we have given 0, 3, 5, 8, 10, and 12. Okay. And 12 is our target, we need to reach here. And we have given a car here, a car here, a car here, a car here, a car here. Okay. uh, so the speed of the 0th car is 1, fifth car is 1, third car is 3, eighth car is 4, and is 2. Okay. So best way to solve this problem is just to visualize it. Like uh, in physics, we have uh, uh, time is to speed. Okay. Uh, Speed is to time graph. Okay. And our speed is the slope, and speed is the slope of it. Okay. So if we can plot this, if we can plot this whole diagram, if we can plot this whole diagram here, whole diagram this slope, we can just get the speed or the overlapping condition of it. Okay. Suppose if we take like let's okay, we have given this is x, and this is t. uh let's take its okay, this is t. If like we know the thing like 0, 3, 5, 8, 10. Okay. So we just need to find a time for each thing. Like suppose this takes we can get the time like we know the speed. Okay. So we can just get the time by the formula S by T, S by V. Okay. And here S is the distance and this is the speed. Okay. Uh, then if we plot this like here we know, suppose we distance 12 from position 10, it takes 10 minus 12 minus 2 by the speed given is 2. Okay. So it will take 1 second to reach here. Suppose I'm taking this a second. Okay. So it will take 1 second here to reach t. Okay. But the thing is, if we say this, we can say like this. Okay. And if we now okay, if we try, suppose oh shit, huh. Suppose Suppose we take 8 now. Okay. Uh, 12 minus 8 is the distance to travel by the car, and speed given is 4. Okay. So it will also take 1 second. So it reaches there in 1 second. Okay. And this also reaches in 1 second. And it's also specified in the question that suppose uh, if the car collides before the target, like before 12, if it collides somewhere like here, it collides. Okay. Or on 12 it collides, then we need to take the minimum distance. Okay. Minimum distance of between the two cars. So if you see, it's 1, so like the time is same, so it will also reach 1 second, it will also reach in 1 second. So uh, both reaches 12 12th position at same time. Okay. At same time. So we can just overlap because it will collide on 12th position. So we can say that because it's colliding here, it will follow the minimum distance, minimum speed. So minimum speed is of 10, so we will just ignore the speed of 8 now. Okay. So now let's take a new thing. So let's take 5 now. Okay. uh, 12 minus 5, and the speed of 5 we given is uh, speed given is 1. Okay. So if you see is 1, so we will get 8. So this will take 8 seconds to reach 12. So this will take 8 seconds to reach 12 from 0. Okay. So now we can see it will never overlap with this. Okay. It will never overlap with this thing. Okay. It's a different thing. So we can just add it. Now let's check the third part. Third is speed 3. Okay. Uh, Now 3. So 12 minus 3 by 3. It gives us like 3. So this reaches in 3 seconds, and this reaches in 8 seconds. So it will collide somewhere here. Okay. So we can just take like in 3 seconds, suppose it will collide here. So it will be like this. So now it's colliding here. If we can see, this is colliding here. Okay. So we just need to. So it's colliding here. So we will ignore the speed of uh like the minimum speed of 3 now. Okay. So we will just ignore the speed of 3. Okay. And take the speed of 8. So now let's check for zeroth element, zeroth position. Okay. So at zeroth position, it takes 12 seconds to reach there. So if at sorry 12 yes, 12 seconds. If it is 12, so it will come here. So it will like never overlap with anything because this is the here, this is the here, and one is here. One slope is here. So they will never collide except at the first point. So we can just return the number of slopes here. Okay. So number of slopes here are 3. So we will get the answer as 3. Okay. So let's take the third example. Okay. Uh, if we see the third example, it's like mm, okay. This is third example. It is given as position as uh, 0, 2, 4, and the target to reach is 100. Okay, so it will be like speed is 4, 2, and 1. Okay, so we just need to get the distance between this x1 and this x2, and let's take this as x3. So we have to find the distance between them and time taken to cover it. So if you take 96, so this will take x1 is 96. Okay, x1 is 96. So like uh, hmm. So time taken will be like 96 divided by time speed given is 1. So it will take 96 seconds to reach. Similarly, 2 will be 98 and the speed given is 2. So it will be like uh, 49. Sorry. Yeah, 49. It will be 49. Okay. So this is less than this. So it will never collide. This two will never collide with each other. Sorry, my bad. We are sorry. This two will collide with each other. Uh, yeah, this two will collide with each other. Okay, so we just need to get a minimum element. So we will ignore this two. Now we will ignore this two. Then 4. 4 will be 0th element 100. It will be 100 divided by 4. That is like 25. This will also collide with the first element because this has become a now this two has become a fleet. Okay, this two become a fleet. So now this speed is more than greater than this. Okay, so this is greater than this. So it will also add in the fleet, and number of fleets will be uh, fleets is equal to 1 because 4 is greater than 2, or 4 is greater than 1, 2 is also greater than 1, and it takes less time to cover it. So number of fleets will be 1. So answer is 1. Okay, so let's see the code. So let's code the problem. So we will first remove this. Okay, so we will create a pair of both speed and position. Okay, position and speed from us comma speed in. We are using zip folder because we want to merge this two lists, position and speed. Zip file returns in like the first element of first list and the second element of the second list. First element of the second list. Then it will like merge two arrays. Okay, merge two lists. Positions and speed. Okay, so now we will make a stack here and we will just iterate in pair, comma, speed in uh, s in pair. Okay, so suppose now we need to take time. Time is equal to uh, target minus position. Our position will give us a distance divided by the speed. Okay, so if while is not empty, because if while is empty, what we will do? Okay. We are using stack here because we just need to like we need this to like compare the previous and the compare the previous and the like the first element, previous and the top element, the current element. Sorry, previous is the top element, Previous is the top element, and the current element or car. Okay. So if like you are comparing the first card, then we have to check the stack is empty or not. Okay, and stack of -1 is less than equal to time. Okay, time we are getting, because if we can reach it between with less time, why we need to merge it? Okay, why we need to connect the fleet, merge the fleet? Okay. So suppose if not, then we will just pop the first last element and just append the time it will take. Okay, meant time of car. Good. And if it's not, like if it's smaller than this, so we will just append it. We will not pop anything and just return length of stack. Okay. Uh, let's run this. Okay. Invalid syntax. While uh, that is equal to this. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, guys, I have resolved the error. The syntax error. It's always better to run it before submitting the code. Okay, so let's submit it. Okay, yeah, but error. Okay, my bad. We just need to sort it because okay, because we are comparing from the first element. Like we're comparing the zeroth element. We are comparing from 10th element, then the 8th element, then the 5th element, then the third element, then the zeroth element. So for that, uh, we need to get a sorted array. Okay, so let's run it. So we need to sort it initially. Running it. Yeah. Yeah, accepted 72 point here. And okay. So it's a time complexity of O of log n, O log n, okay, and log n. So it's good time complexity, not that bad, and it's one of the most optimized solution that we can make. So thank you. Please let me know down in the comments if there is another any solution or we can optimize it more. Thank you.